Hi, my name is Tyler. This is my pencil and paper game assignment for Simulation and Game Design 112. I chose to kind of incorporate two games into one, or like two ideas into one, using the Hangman game and incorporating a game or something that we had been introduced a lot whenever we were younger, which was, like the word scrambles, which is trying to decipher what, word it was from the letters that we had known. And the idea is that not only do you have to guess each letter, like in typical Hangman, but each word is actually randomized into the sense that each letter is not in its correct spot anymore. So you can't just get like, two or three letters in some of the words and immediately know what it is. You have to find every letter pretty much, or else you will have a hard time guessing what word it was. Now, a brief example is shown on the screen is it's already been filled out as to what the words are, and a brief example of it would be, or a worded example would be, whenever you would, pretty much it's exactly like Hangman in the beginning sense, that you guess a word, and if you're incorrect, then you get a piece of the Hangman drawn. The more hard aspect comes with after you found out every letter in each word is deciphering what each of them is and whether or not that's the correct word. Because if you're incorrect, you still get the hangman added too. It's rather just making a more unique and harder ending to the game rather than it just being getting like four or five letters right and being able to solve it in, lickety split. But overall, it's not rather complex, but it does make the game more interesting. It makes it a little more time consuming because you can't just do it fast. You have to actually sit there and take a moment and think. But it can only really be about as complicated as the people that are playing want it to be, so it can kind of be simple and kind of be hard at the same time.